TE Connectivity's 16G 0.5mm free height stacking connectors can save time and money when making COM Express module upgrades in autonomous industrial machinery to address the growing needs of Industry 4.0. With the same PCB footprint as COM Express standard connectors, there is typically no need to change PCB layout when making equipment upgrades. Our product is also backward compatible with previous generations of stacking COM connectors and various competitive products. The mating and unmating force of our connector is reduced by 30% compared to similar products in the market. This can reduce operating cycle times and operating cost and enhance machine productivity. Our connectors provide double the speed of most previous generation products, up to 16 Giga transfers per second, for use in today's smart machinery. When used together, our plug and receptacle solution can provide industry-leading signal integrity enabled by improved contact designs. TE's free height stacking connectors can enable cost-effective COM Express system upgrades, support productivity and easy operation, and can promote machine accuracy and reliability. Visit te.com to learn more.